He was doing it really good a second ago.
I'm not gonna give it a keep.
I don't think, yeah, I don't think he has it.
There he goes. Looking good, dude.
Keep?
Alright, assignment 10 here, mate. Whew. Got my tonight's outfit here. Quill I just found. Camera stuff right there. I'll take my big camera, so I've been using that. It's got a big long lens, DSLR, so hopefully I can get some good wildlife videos, photos. But take you on a tour of the campsite. This is the heart.
Dung is.
Right for the elephant dung. Camp elephant dung. Shadwell setting it all up.
Good.
Looking good. Best cook on the Okavango.
Yes.
See, just a big, nearly empty bottle. 2 liters bottle of water.
2 liters, you're looking for one.
Yeah, I've left it down around the tree, but I just don't see it now. It would be fun.
Yeah, that's a massive porcupine,
That'd
man.
mess your day up.
That would make it go right through it. Real bad. It's actually feels hollow. I can't have it.
Were you excited about this guy?
Martin? I might fight you over that one.
Pretty porky. Oh my gosh.
If you break my porcupine, I'm not afraid to fight a German. How you doing? All right, we got camp set up. You got Connor out here. Look at this, a man of the Delta. This guy's journal. And by the way, Connor, they are opening the cooler out in there.
Just want to have a clear head to do my journal, man.
And then you're gonna
Then I get there.
then you get your cold brew. You guys doing this? Taking some lessons?
I'm gonna see how they fare first.
Okay.
I don't have a change of.
Shadwell, are you any good at it?
Very good, yeah.
Yeah?
Just
You think we're gonna fall?
no.
Hold the pose. Hold it. Hold it. Yeah, I'm taking a video. Ah, yes. Please stand.
I go under you.
Stand. We gotta do it for the gram.
Oh, I just got a bit of the sky. Sorry. Terrible filming.
Okay. Now, physically jump.
The pin, yeah.
I'm enjoying watching the captain do his thing.
So,
No, a little bit of both. Good model, man. Oh, Captain, my captain.
Are you serious business so you don't get wet?
sneakers, bro.
You gotta just take them off.
Are you serious? What? What you gotta say?
Come on, New York, get out of the boat.
Come on, New York.
New York, New York.
Is it wet?
All right. Oh, he's hitting it hard. Is that the front or the back?
Both can be. Oh, actually, no. Only one can be stopped. But we don't have a hook.
All right, Connor, please fall in just for comedic purposes.
Oh my god. For our amusement.
Yes, for our amusement.
Look at that. Look at him turning. That's core strength.
Well, he's turned onto a bank. Oh my God, please fall. Just keep going forward. You got it. For a mokoro ride, getting ready to go on a nature hike. All right,
So we
mission
are
number 1. See some animals. Flora and fauna.
Are you jealous?
Yeah. I am. Hey, how about this? If I go, that means I want you to just film them for a bit. Sound good?
Do it again.
2 clicks real quick, film. And then, sorry. We would. We're done with a little nature walk. My battery's getting ready to die, and we're getting ready to eat dinner, and Shadow has cooked chicken feet. It's gonna be exciting. Battery's gonna die. Oh my gosh, what should I say? We saw antelope. We saw, what else we see?
Zebra.
Zebra.
Wild beast.
Wild beast.
2 little monkeys. About that size.
Keith, the wildebeest. That's what we're gonna start calling you.
The wild beast.
The wild beast. And I let Connor do all my bidding. So he says this camera, that camera got an extra battery. So
They sleep in there or hunt?
I feel like I've hired him.
The camera.
Yeah.
Alright,
You hired a
I'm
photographer.
gonna try to get some video of the food if the battery doesn't die. Hopefully a
Yes, Steve, yes, just let that ride. That's gonna be
ride.
beautiful.
Let her ride. Yeah, just keep walking. Oh, you screwed up. Do less. You gotta do more than that.
Let's go.
Go, walk
Who's
this
the
way, walk this
model?
way.
Let's go.
Keep going. Keep going.
Hands on the hips.
Stop. Do jumping
I
jack.
can really try.
What? Yeah, jumping jacks. Yes, that is looks like. Do the Karate Kid crane kick. Keep going until you see a line.
I'm gonna go. We should all go.
It's
all silhouettes.
Oh yeah, let's all walk.
Yeah, let's all walk.
I can't wait to see my crane kick.
Yeah, it was epic.
Was it really cool on it?
All right, Rocky.